everybody, happy Wednesday. I hope you're having a lovely day. So in today's maths session, we are thinking all about a new number. How exciting. So last week we did the number 13. The week before we did the numbers 12 and 11. So I wonder if you can guess what our number will be today. But before we do that, we are going to have a little game to warm up our brains. So what you need is either a whiteboard and pen or a piece of paper and a pencil, because we are going to play bingo just like we did when we were doing it with our camera words, but this time we're going to play bingo with our numbers. So pause the video here, go and grab something to write with, and then join me back for bingo. Okay, so once you've got something to write with, what you need to do is divide up your page or your whiteboard like this by putting 2 lines down and 2 lines across. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. And what you need to do is in each box, you need to write a number. It can be any number from 0 to 10. Have a go at writing any number in each box from 0 to 10. Again, pause the video here whilst you write it, and then join me back and we will reveal what the numbers are and see if anybody manages to get bingo. Okay, have you got all your numbers ready? Let's go. So remember, if I say a number that you've got, cross it out on your board, and if you manage to finish the whole board by the end of the game, you can shout bingo. Are you ready? Let's go. So the first number on my board is number 4. Number 4, which looks like this. Number 4, do you have it on your board? If so, cross it out. Okay, ready for the next one? Let's go. Next one is number 9. Number 9. Do you have number 9? Okay, next one. Number 3. Number 3. Do you have number 3? Okay, ready for the next one? The next one is number 8. Number 8. Do you have number 8 on your board? If so, cross it through. I wonder if anyone has got all of them so far. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. So I wonder if anyone has managed to cross 4 numbers off yet. Right, to the next one, are you ready? Is number 5. Number 5. Do you have the number 5 on your board? Okay, the next one is number 2. Do you have the number 2 on your board? Okay, next one. Almost done. All 9 of them. So let's see if anyone's going to get bingo. The next one is number 7. Do you have number 7 on your board? Number 7. And the last one, I wonder if anyone's going to get bingo. Next one is number 10. Has anyone managed to cross all their numbers off? Don't worry if not, because what you can do is you can play this game with anybody in your house. All you need to do is pick 9 numbers, or you can do it with your camera words and then get someone to say 9 or more numbers or words and see if you can cross them off. So well done if you managed to get bingo. If you didn't, don't worry, have another go and see if you can get it then. Okay, so we've done our bingo to warm up our brains. The next thing we're going to do is have a look at our new number. Now, I said to you earlier, could you work out what it is? We've done 11, 12, 13. So our new number is going to be, let's see if you're right, number 14 is our new number. So I'm going to move myself up here and we're going to have a look at the number 14. Now, if you have a look at my number line, you'll see we've got lots of numbers and they are all quite big numbers. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, then it's going to go 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've already done 10, 11, 12 and 13. We're now going on to number 14. Now, can you see we've got number block 14 over here? Now, number block 14 is 2 different colours, isn't he? And I've got him here as well. The bottom bit of number 14 is this guy. And this is who? This is number 10, isn't it? Number 10 number block. But on the top of number 10 is number 4. So 14 is made up of number block 10 and number block 4. And when he jumps on top of his head, it becomes number block 14. Shall we check? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Number block 14. So if we're going to make number block 14 out of Numicon, what do you think we're going to need to use? We've got number block 10 and number block 4. So what Numicon do you think we're going to need? Let's have a look. Now, if we look along our number line, you can see 10, 11. Do you remember 11 was 10 and 1? 12 was 10 and 2. 13 was 10 and 3. So 14 is going to be 10 and 4. We need a 10 and a 4, don't we? So let's get our Numicon. We've got a 10 and we've got a 4. 10 and 4. Let's just double check we've got it right by counting the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're right. Now, if you look at our number 14, it looks like a 1 and a 4, doesn't it? But we've got a Numicon 10. Now, that's because this 1 here doesn't mean 1, it means 10. So our 14 is made up of 10 and 4, and all together it makes 14. Fantastic. Let's have a look at another way of making 14. So here I have got some tens frames. That's a frame with 10 squares in. And we're going to try and fill it with 14 stars. So let's have a go. We've got 1, count along with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got to go on to a new tens frame now. 11, 12, 13 and 14. We've got 14 stars. Can you see? We've got 10 up here and 4 down here. We've got 10 and 4. And all together that makes 14. Let's have a go at writing that number 14. Do you remember it was a 1, which is really a 10, and a 4 is the number 14. Let's see if we can find another way to make number 14. Okay. It says, can you make a tower of 14? Now, luckily, I have got some cubes here, so I wonder if you can help me. Maybe you've even got some cubes lying around. If not, you can help me to count my cubes. So I've got some cubes and I'm going to try and make a tower of 14. So let's do it together. Okay, I've got my cubes. Now I'm using blue cubes to help me to remember because our Numicon 10 is blue, isn't it? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't quite have enough of the light blue ones. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I've got 10 so far. I've got 10 cubes. How many more am I going to need? I'm trying to make 14, so I need a 10 and a 4. Absolutely, I need a 10 and a 4. So I've got 10 here. Let's pop that down because it's getting quite tall now. And I need 4 other cubes, don't I? Now I'm going to use some green cubes for this because our Numicon and our number block are both green, aren't they? For 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 10 and 4 And if I put them together, I should have 14. Let's check. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're right. We've got 14 cubes made up of 10 and 4. Brilliant. Well done. Okay, let's see another way of spotting 14. So number 14 can be found in lots of different places and it looks different in different places. So let's have a look what we can see. Now on my screen, I've got lots of different numbers and they're pictures. So we can find 14 in lots of different places and in lots of different ways. And we're going to have a look to see if we can find some. So on my screen, I'm just going to move you up there. You can see lots of different pictures on my screen and there are different ways to show the number 14. And we've got to see how many we can spot. So I'm going to get a big blue pen and we're going to mark them, see if we can tick them off and see how many we've got. So can you first of all spot anything that you straight away know is the number 14? Remember, when we write the number 14, we write the number 1 and 4. Can you see it anywhere? I can spot it there. Have you spotted it? Number 14. Let's give it a big tick. Okay, let's carry on. What number is this? It's number 8. Is that what we're looking for? No, we don't want the number 8. We're looking for the number 14. Okay, what about over here? Oh, look, there's a basketball player throwing a basketball into a hoop. But what has he got on his top? He's got the number 14. Oh, brilliant. There we go. We found another one. I wonder if any of you have got a number on the back of one of your tops. Maybe you play sport in it. Maybe football, maybe some other sports. Okay, let's have a look here. We've got 2 dice with dots on, but we've got to count the dots to figure out what number it is. Now you might spot straight away what number this is, what number this is, but let's count them to add them up together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 and 6 make 12. Is that the number we're looking for? What about this one? There's some pine cones in the shape of a number. What number is it in the shape of? 4. Now 4 is close to 14 in that it has the number 4 in it, but that's not quite what we're looking for. But what other number goes with 4 to make 14? Got 4. We need number 10. Do we have a number 10 on here? We do, don't we? So I reckon we can draw a line between them and together that makes 14. What about this number here? Number 12. Is that what we're looking for? No. What about this one? There's some little ducklings here. Shall we count them? See how many ducklings we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hiding there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 ducklings. We've found another 14. There we go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 if we add those two together. Brilliant. So in today's activity, I'm setting you a challenge, and I'm setting you a challenge of finding the number 14 in lots of different places, as many as you can. So we've got a scavenger hunt for you to do. And here you'll find on our website, it is a list of lots of different things that you might find the number 14 in. You've got to go through them and tick them off and then see if you can find any others. So we've got the page 14 in a book, 1 and 4 in a magazine or a newspaper. You've got to cut out the 1, cut out the 4 and stick them next to each other. The number 14 on a house, 14 objects, see if you found 14 objects around your house. A tower of 14 cubes or something else if you don't have cubes. Have a look at a clock and see if you can find the number 14 on it. And the number 14 made out of natural objects, you might need to make that one. So on your daily exercise or around your house, have a look to see how many things you can find made up of the number 14. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.